So, I'm here today because a lot of people ask me, what do I do with my blue switches? I'm here to tell you. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial about what to do with them. And it's quite simple as you look at this astonishing floor, of course. Just take it in. Best intro that you've ever seen in your life. Anyway, so the first thing that I like to do with them is put it in this thing. This really gives it a rich sound and just makes it a better switch overall. So once you slide it in there, it should look something like that. What I have to do is sound like this. Anyway, so once they're done with that, what I like to do is just bully it some more. You know, I just put more parts in there, and then just repeat for the rest of them. And then when you're done, I'll show you the next step in a second. Alright, so I like to go to a trash can